TenShare iPhone Backup Unlocker is an outstanding password recovery tool which provides solutions for iOS users to find lost iTunes backup password and regain access to iTunes backup. First, launch iPhone Backup Unlocker. If backup files show up automatically, just choose the one you want to unlock. If it's not, import backup files. Second, choose Unlock Mode. TenShare iPhone Backup Unlocker offers 3 types of attacks to choose from, which improves the efficiency of decryption. The first mode is called Dictionary Attack. This is the fastest way to unlock your iPhone backup. If the iTunes backup password is one of your frequently used passwords and you are not sure which it is, choose Dictionary Attack. You can set a text file with all possible passwords and import this text file to the program. Along with this text file, there will be a default dictionary, both of which are for the reference of the program. If you remember something about the password, say the length of password, you can choose the second mode, Brute Force with Mask. The settings of this attack include password length, character range, and affix. Set these items can help you find lost password more quickly. Brute force attack is a kind of attack that will try every possible combination of password. Choose this attack when you have no clue what the password may be and there is no setting for this attack. However, this attack may take the longest time to find the password. Now, we've listed all the 3 modes of TenShare iPhone Backup Unlocker. If you like it, please share with your friends via social networks.